In this video, we will demonstrate how to turn on edit mode and add sections, as well as add activities and subsections. To begin, from the My Courses page, navigate to the course page you wish to edit and click on it. To the top right of the course page, click on the slider next to edit mode to turn it on. After this option is enabled, the page will reload, and new options will appear next to the course content. Now, we are able to utilize the editorial features of the course page. First, let's see how to add a new section. Click the plus option in between sections or the bottom of the last section, which will immediately add a section titled New Section at the position you clicked on. You can rename the section by clicking the pencil icon at the right of the title. When done, press Enter to save the new section title. Next, we need to add course activities. Under the section we've created, we can click on the plus icon and select Activity or Resource, which opens up a window that contains all the activities and resources that can be created. Click on the activity you want to add, which will open the settings page for that activity. Every activity requires a name, and adding a description is optional. Any other options would be activity specific. The final step when creating an activity is to click Save and display /return to the course page. To add a subsection, click on the same plus icon and select Subsection. This will add a subsection to the main section. It is editable, just like a normal section. To add an activity or resources to this subsection, click on the Add an Activity or Resource button, and a similar window will appear, showing the various activities available for selection. With this tutorial, you can now turn on edit mode and add sections, and add activities and subsections. Tune into the second part of this video series where we focus on how to edit sections and activities and use bulk actions.